How to add background image to a PowerPoint slide. Everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add a background image on your PowerPoint slide. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, and once you open up your slides, you want to go to the slide where you want to add your background image. So let's say if I want to add a background image on this slide right here, what I'm going to do first is go ahead and click on the Insert tab at the top, and from here you'll get an option for pictures. If you click on this drop down, you'll actually have two options. The first one is you can choose from your device locally, or you can also import online pictures. I'm just going to choose the second one for now. And here you can search on the Bing. So let's say if I search for a gradient like this, it will show me all of the possible results that I can add on my PowerPoint slide. So as you can see, here are different gradients that I can add. So I really like this gradient right here. It really matches with my PowerPoint, so I'm just going to insert this. From here, what you can do is just drag it out and adjust its size where you want to put it. And once you put this on the place, then what you can do is go ahead and adjust this like this, and right click on it, then click on send to back. So what this will do is it will send the picture to the back and all of the text will be on front. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.